guys, I'm back with another video. Today we are gonna talk about K-pop things I don't like. So let's get started. So I hate it when the fans ship the idols sexually, like it's really uncomfortable. Like for example, let's take Vcook. Like you can ship them as brothers or best friends, but like shipping them sexually, making some fan arts and all is just not it. Imagine if they saw them, and that would make them so uncomfortable. So please stop it. And like please stop doing that. If you do that, that would make them so uncomfortable. So I hate this thing too, when you love like a single member and not the other members, or love all the other members and not a particular member. So there's nothing wrong in being a solo stan or having a bias, okay? But if you're a solo stan, then don't call yourself an army, blink, once, Momo, or whatever you are, okay? You're just a fan of that particular person and not of that whole group. And if you like don't like that member, at least respect them, okay? I hate it when they are like, I hate that member, they are like blah blah and blah. Okay, this needs to be stopped. It's really annoying and I just don't know what to say. Okay, so this is another thing that I hate with all of my passion. So you should not do that, okay? If you're a fan, you should love all the members equally and respect them equally. Even if you have a bias, it's not like you'll treat the other member poorly or not properly. I really hate it. Let's take an example of Jisoo. She's been mistreated by fans like so much. She's most of the time ignored. And it's not only her. There are many K-pop idols that are being treated like this, and even her fellow members. I just feel so uncomfortable when the fans do this. I mean, let's just stop doing this and treat all the members equally. Please don't call yourself a fan if you don't respect them and love them equally. So, I personally find it really uncomfortable when some fans take inappropriate pictures of their idols. Like when female idols wear kind of revealing clothes, they take some zoomed in pictures and all, and even of male idols, which I found really uncomfortable. And I think fans need to stop it. Like, even if you do it, don't share it on social media at least. Like, why do you want to do it and make them uncomfortable? So, I find this one like really annoying when fans come to attack us when we point out a mistake of a certain idol. Of course, they are humans, they make mistakes too. But we should point it out so that they don't repeat it again and don't get criticized again. And it's our duty as fans that they don't make the similar mistakes again and they don't get much hate. But if we start covering up their mistakes and they do the same mistakes again, they'll get more criticized. Why don't we understand it? Like, for example, cultural inappropriation. Like, don't tell me that G Idol didn't knew that it's a cultural inappropriation dancing in front of a mosque, and idols still dance on that curry song, which is really annoying and it's mockery. I don't want to bring out the controversy again, so yeah, let's just end this here. So idols literally have no private life because most of the time the fans are chasing them or else they are around the cameras, and I just want the fans to stop invading their privacy. because like I know you like are excited to meet your idol, but invading your privacy is just not it. Like they have their private life too. Let them live your life, like live and let live. But few fans just go too far, like booking the same hotels as the idols or moving around them, taking pictures and all. I find it just really annoying, and I just want them to stop it because it makes them so uncomfortable. Because, of course, you won't want someone roaming around you all the time. You want some personal time too, right? You don't know like what is happening, like from which angle your photos are coming and all. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And this were the points that I find really annoying about the K-pop fans. So my exams are starting, so maybe I won't be able to upload a video really soon, but I'll try. And a reminder, drink water, eat well, and stay hydrated. And I love you guys. Bye bye. If you like the video, please like